If you are a new viewer, please subscribe to our channel.
To solve this, we will have to take help of one algebra identity, that is x cube plus y cube plus z cube minus 3xyz is equals to x plus y plus z into x square plus y square plus z square minus xy minus yz minus zx. Write this as x plus y plus z into x square plus y square plus z square plus 2xy plus 2yz plus 2zx. We have just, instead of this minus xy minus yz and minus zx, we have written 2xy 2yz and 2zx. So we have to deduct minus 3xy minus 3yz minus 3zx. Okay, the formula of x plus y plus z whole square. So let us rewrite the equation like that. This will be x plus y plus z whole square, and we take minus 3 common here, so inside there will be xy plus yz plus zx. Let us call this as equation 1. Now we have given in the equation that 1 by x plus 1 by y plus 1 by z is equals to 1 by 3. So if we take x, y, z, the LCM, this will become yz plus xz plus xy, and right hand side will be 1 by 3. So if we cross multiply, this will become 3 into xy plus yz plus zx is equals to xyz. So this, from here we can put this value of 3 into xy plus yz plus zx, which is equals to xyz, in our equation number 1. So our equation number 1 will become x cube plus y cube plus z cube minus 3xyz is equals to x plus y plus z into, inside the bracket, x plus y plus z whole square minus x y z, or x cube plus y cube plus z cube minus 3xyz is equals to, this x plus y plus z already given in the equation that its value is 3. So we will write 3 here, and inside the bracket this will be 3 square minus xyz, or we can write this x cube plus y cube plus z cube minus 3xyz is equals to 3 into this 3 square will be 9, so 3 into 9, 27, minus 3 into xyz, 3xyz. So from the left hand side and the right hand side, this minus 3xyz will be cancelled out. So we can get the value of x cube plus y cube plus z cube is equals to 27. This is the answer.